the Chief of Defense Forces, Muhoozi Kainerugaba, and Senior Presidential Advisor for Special Operations, that is Muhoozi Kainerugaba, has announced a series of transfers and appointments involving senior Uganda People's Defense Forces, that's UPDF commanders. Major General Joseph Semwanga has been transferred from his position as Deputy Commander of the Land Forces and appointed General Officer commanding the Reserve Forces. He replaces Lieutenant General Charles Otema, who is scheduled to retire next week. In another key change, Major General Felix Busisori, the outgoing commander of the 4 Infantry Division, has been appointed Deputy Commander of the Land Forces. Major General Wilberforce Serunkuma, who has been commanding the 3 Infantry Division, will take over as commander of the 4 Infantry Division. Meanwhile, Brigadier General Michael Iyaroba, formerly Deputy Commander of the 1 Infantry Division, has been elevated to Commander of the 3 Infantry Division. Now, according to the UPDF, all the transfers and appointments take immediate effect. The changes mark another significant adjustment to the country's senior military command structure, as experienced officers assume new responsibilities across key formations. The Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, through Acting Director of Defense Public Information, Colonel Chris Bagisu, congratulated the appointed general officers and wished them success in their new assignments. The reshuffle comes as the UPDF continues to recognize its senior command structures, with changes affecting the Reserve Forces, Land Forces, and major infantry divisions. Separately, a message attributed to Major Edward Baruli called for the UPDF recruitment process to remain free, fair, and transparent in line with the established principles governing recruitment.
I'm called Major Edward Baruli. I'm the spokesperson for Team 9, which is recruiting at the Bakenyi District Headquarters. Team 9 is led by Brigadier General James Kasule, who is now the YC Commander, 2nd Infantry Division, which is based here in Mbarara. Team 9 today is recruiting those applicants who were shortlisted from the districts of Otema and Bakenyi. All of them have gathered here, and they are now taking them through different screenings. We have medical screening, we have academic papers screening, and physical test screening. So all of them must go through all that to ensure that we get the best out of so many who were shortlisted. And it is done free of charge. No one is paying for that, and no one is supposed to pay money to anybody who is on the recruitment team. So UPDF entry is free of charge as long as we meet all the requirements stated in the advertisement. Now, for the district of Bakenyi, those who are coming in the category of professionals and regular force, the target is 61. Then for Otema, the target is 41. Out of so many who are shortlisted, meaning that the screening is too competitive, that any small mishap disqualifies you. So if you have degrees, those degrees don't weigh the same. If you have diplomas, they don't weigh the same. If you have O-level certificate and A-level certificate, still there are those who performed better than others. So we look at all those to ensure that we get the best out of the so many who made the application. and we thank the district leaders, our chairpersons at different levels who made the first screening to ensure that the applicants they are sending to the UPDF are those who have the discipline and the capabilities which are in line with the values of UPDF.
And you must remember the latest appointments will take effect immediately.